Hey guys, and welcome back to another one of my videos. So I've seen this one person the other day on VRChat with blinking eyes, like glowing eyes, and I thought it was really neat and cool, and so I figured I would want to show you how to do this because it's really simple. So I'll show you an example on the screen what I mean. You can basically have your eyes blinking on and off, and I think it's pretty interesting, honestly. So the way you do it is pretty easy. All you're gonna need is Poyomi shaders imported in your Unity project. So you would locate your material and then go to Special Effects, and then you're going to extend any of the emissions and then have your eyes emissions. So the way you would get this is the most easiest way. If you already don't have emissions for your eyes, you would take the UV map and drag it into Krita, which is a free program. You would use the Magic Select tool right here and then just select the eyes, hold down Shift, and then keep on clicking on all the spaces that you want to have emissioned. And then once you have that, you go Control C, Control V, you hide the main layer. From here, you're going to go Filter, Adjust, here, go Saturation, and then all the way to white. So now you should have pure white emissions and just export this separately on desktop and then import it in your Unity. So then we're going to drag it on the emission mask, on the emission map, and you're going to have emission strength. This is personally your choice. You can go as bright as you want. I wouldn't go too bright because the color is going to look washed out. 2 maximum, 3 if you really want to push it. And make sure you use base colors. So you use the base color so it keeps your eye colors. And you're going to tick on blinking. You would want to enter play mode just so you can see it much better and in action. Now there's a couple of settings here, a couple of different numbers that you can play around with. These numbers basically mean how often does it blink, how long is it off, and how fast is it blinking on and off. So you can play around with these numbers here. It's personally like up to you, and there is no like standard settings what you can use, but you can like play with the velocity, max and minimum, and just see what matches your taste. And then once you exit the play mode, it's going to save those settings and you should be good to go. And that is pretty much it. Now you can have that glowing, blinking eyes effect and it's pretty neat. Hope that this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you around. Peace.